This video is to go over homework packet 5B. Let's do problem number 5 on lesson 15, which is on page 1. Think of a checkboard made of squares of alternating colors, each with an area of 4 square inches. Assume that the board extends infinitely in all directions like a plane. If you drop a penny, which has the diameter 3/4 inches on the board, what is the probability it will touch 2 colors? So we just have learned that the probability is exactly the same as the ratio of areas over areas of something over areas of everything. Right? So what's area of something here? Area of something here is area of the pennies. A penny, I'm sorry. All over area of the target. The target is a square which has area 4, so area of a square. So we have to find out the area of the pennies, which we can find out pi r squared, all over area of the square, which is 4. So that's going to be the probability that's going to be inside. That's going to be inside of it, right? Inside of the square. But we are looking for the one that is outside, right? So before that, let's find the probability that goes inside. Okay. So area of the pennies is pi r squared. The radius is 3/4. So you can plug that in and you can find that out. And whatever the area of that, so let's say whatever, okay, divided by 4, that's going to give you some numbers, decimals, right? Point something. And that's going to be the percentage of it, right? So for example, if he says 0.52, that means you have 52% of chances that's going to be inside of the circle. So you want to subtract whatever the number you get here from 100. That's going to give you the probability that's going to be a little off or to the edge, or it goes across two colors. Okay, let's go to problem number 16 and lesson 5:16, problem number 4. Look at the figure below. The board's side length is 4 inches, and what is A says what's the probability of tiny drop landing on the square white square. So again, the probability is area of the target all over area of everything, area of the board, for example, right? So the area of the target is the white squares. So you want to find out area of the white squares over area of the board. And if you get whatever divided by whatever, that's going to give you the decimals, and convert the decimals into percents H. And so that's A, and B is going to be the opposite of it. So instead of having white squares, you want to find out the area of the black squares. That's why we are doing it. And part C is of which property of measure is this exercise an example and explain. So that's, if you do part A and part B, that's going to give you hints for C.